Adrian, the field guide has done its job. 7 modules. Thousands of practitioners walking through the foundations at their own pace.
Which is what it was built for.
But foundations only take you so far. There's a next question every CPO working through the field guide keeps running into. How do I actually apply this inside my own organization, to my team, my vendors, my board?
That's the gap the masterclass fills.
In the Agentic AI Procurement Masterclass, 3 sessions go deeper than any tutorial can. Session 1, what Agentic AI really is and what it does in procurement.
Session 2, how point agents differ from Agentic AI.
Session 3, why DIY and studio solutions create agent debt.
3 sessions, 1 hour.
Running live in 3 regions, Americas, EMEA, Asia Pacific. In partnership with the regional procurement associations, ISM, CIPS, and PASA.
Regional thought leaders leading each conversation. Zycus' point of view on the table, backed by expert advice from the Hackett Group.
The Agentic AI Procurement Masterclass. This July and August, check the details for your region on the website. Register at the link below.